What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in. We're back in the 350Z right now. It is actually episode 2, day 3 of sanding down and prepping the 350Z for paint. We're actually going to be headed over to the shop right now here in a few minutes. I did want to check the oil real quick before we do go over there because it's been a little bit, probably about a week since we checked it, so it's probably down a little. So I'm just going to pop the hood, we're going to check it out real quick, and then we're going to head over there. The necessities. Yes. I had someone at the show yesterday recommend that we just spray clear over the sanded panels. I think that would actually look really crazy. There it is. I usually do this in the morning, but I haven't driven her yet today. I've been driving the Miata. Not too bad, about halfway, more like 60%. We'll just add some real quick, not too much. That's it. All right, to the shop. Jesus, you guys, look at this dust. I have not washed the windshield since we started this process. I mean, it shows. It's almost dangerous. But I have my caffeine now, so I'm satisfied. And we're on our way. Add the sun at this angle, and it's hard to see out here, man. All right. We made it. I set up this tripod and take a cringy thumbnail. Let's see what's going on in here. Yo, yo, what's happening? Good, man. Alright, you guys, so we came through, sanded the rest of what we had to sand basically for the hatch. Obviously, as you guys can remember, it was kind of peeling up right here, and then up here. You kind of go side to side where it is peeling up and sand it down a little bit more, and then it becomes smooth again, which is really nice. You guys have no idea how good it feels. It feels so good to get rid of all that clear coat peeling off after this many years of looking at it. Now I'm basically going to use the DA and sand the top of the wing, and then use basically hand sand the inside here, because obviously you can't put the DA in there, but it shouldn't be too hard. We're just going to hit it with basically 600 because there really isn't any rock chips or any huge things we have to fix. So we're just going to get most of the clear coat off so the new paint will stick to it, and then we should be good. Alright, you guys, so we used the DA, we sanded the top. Now I'm gonna hand sand basically all the places I can't put the DA inside, which is pretty much under here, around this, pretty much. And you know, basically just get all the shiny red off of it. There's not much like blemishes and stuff we need to fix on this one, so we're hitting it directly with 600 just to kind of get the clear coat off. So. Alright you guys, so we basically finished up pretty much the entire top of the car, did the A-pillars back down to here, sanded the entire wing, had to do a lot of hand sanding underneath a lot of these parts, but we were able to get most of it, which is awesome, and I think it looks pretty good. So basically we have the bottom half of the car. I think it looks great. We should just spray clear like this. Efren, what if we just spray clear over this right now?
It'll stick.
It would?
Yeah.
That would be funny.
Yeah.
Leave all this stuff.
Yeah.
Some guy at the car show said we should do that. So just spray clear over it. And I was like, that'd be kind of interesting.
It'll look like a wrap.
Yeah. What's up you guys? So normally I would jump into day 2, but it randomly started raining like really hard in California today. So we're not gonna actually end up going to the shop tonight, and I have to post this video tomorrow. So I thought I would jump on here and make like a short outro for you guys. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for leaving all the comments and likes on the videos. I'm so happy you guys are enjoying the content lately. I know painting the Z is gonna be quite a process, and it's definitely gonna take a little bit of time, but I appreciate you guys staying with me and sticking with me. I'm gonna try and teach you guys along the way as much as I learn. Efren does a pretty good job at teaching me, so I'm gonna do my best to kind of relay the information to you guys, but I do really appreciate you joining me on this journey. As far as automotive goes, I've never done any of this. Like, I've never sanded my car, I've never painted anything. I mean, even last month I had a misfire in my 350z. I didn't even know what was going on. So it's like, I'm not the most, I don't know everything about cars, very far from it, but I do love cars and I do love to learn things. And I never really took auto shop at school growing up or anything, so this is kind of like my chance to take an auto shop class, you know, like doing these videos, kind of learning it myself, you know, calling upon the people around me like Efren at the shop. You know, it's awesome to learn from them and actually work hands-on in the industry and stuff, and it's amazing the work that these people do. Like, it really is an art. Anyways, like, long story short, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Drop a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.